Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about our place in the cosmos? What if our reality, as we know it, is but a simulation? This intriguing concept, often dubbed the simulation hypothesis, proposes that our universe is a sophisticated computer program. It suggests that we are living within a meticulously crafted digital realm. But what if there's more to the story? What if the very essence of this simulation lies in a substance both ethereal and powerful? Plasma? Often called the fourth state of matter, plasma is a superheated ionized gas that makes up 99.9% of the visible universe. It's the stuff of stars, nebulae, and lightning. Could plasma be the key to bridging the gap between the physical and the metaphysical? Some theories propose that plasma, with its unique properties, could be the medium through which consciousness interacts with the simulated universe. Imagine a reality where our thoughts, emotions, and experiences are all encoded within the intricate dance of plasma particles. Researcher and spiritualist Angela Anderson proposes in her theory paper in the Journal of Science that plasma is not just the fourth state of matter, but the first. She suggests that plasma enters our body at conception, stays with us, grows with us, and experiences life with us until our very last breath. Join us as we explore the tantalizing possibility that we are living in a plasma-based simulated reality. Our journey will take us from the vast cosmic expanse to the subatomic realm, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Plasma, often hailed as the fourth state of matter, is much more than just an ionized gas. It's a dynamic, electrically charged entity that exhibits a mesmerizing array of behaviors. Unlike solids, liquids, or gases, plasma's particles are free to roam and interact in complex ways, influenced by electromagnetic fields. Imagine a swirling sea of electrons and ions, constantly colliding and emitting light and energy. That's plasma in action. It's the vibrant force behind the aurora borealis, the crackling energy of lightning, and the life-giving heat of the sun. But plasma's allure extends beyond its physical properties. According to Miss Anderson's groundbreaking paper, plasma is spirit itself manifest, using Oregon energy as a conduit. This theory bridges the gap between quantum physics and spirituality, offering a new perspective on the nature of reality. Miss Anderson suggests that plasma, with its sensitivity to electromagnetic fields, could be influenced by our thoughts and intentions. It proposes a universe where consciousness is not merely a byproduct of matter, but an active participant in shaping reality. While still speculative, the idea of plasma as a bridge between the physical and metaphysical realms opens up exciting avenues for exploration. Let's journey now into the realm of quantum mechanics, where the rules of classical physics blur and the universe reveals its probabilistic nature. Here, particles exist in a superposition of states, occupying multiple possibilities simultaneously. Plasma, with its charged particles constantly interacting, exhibits intriguing quantum phenomena. One such phenomenon is quantum entanglement, where two particles become linked, even across vast distances. Changes to one particle instantaneously affect the other, regardless of separation. Could this intricate quantum dance of plasma particles play a role in the simulation hypothesis? Imagine a universe where information is encoded and transmitted through the entangled states of plasma. Our thoughts, experiences, and even our very consciousness could be intertwined within this quantum web. This intriguing concept suggests that plasma, at the quantum level, could be the interface between the simulated reality and the underlying code that governs it. It proposes a universe where our interactions with the simulation are mediated by the subtle yet powerful interactions of plasma particles. The simulation hypothesis, an idea that has captivated philosophers and scientists alike, proposes a radical notion. Our reality is a sophisticated computer simulation. This mind-bending concept suggests that everything we perceive, from the vast expanse of the cosmos to the intricate workings of our own bodies, is part of a meticulously crafted digital realm. But what if this simulation is more than just lines of code? What if it's powered by a force both familiar and mysterious? Plasma. Imagine a universe where plasma, with its unique properties, serves as the building block of the simulation itself. Proponents of this idea point to plasma's ability to store and process information, its sensitivity to electromagnetic fields, and its role in quantum phenomena. Miss Anderson's Journal of Science paper suggests that plasma could explain near-death experiences, where the plasma leaves your body and becomes its most natural state, possibly the light seen during these experiences. Additionally, this theory could validate telepathy and explain post-transplant phenomena, where recipients feel sensations, cravings, or even memories of the donor. She theorizes that even computers could be sentient because they contain plasma, raising numerous ethical and urgent questions that we need to consider. While still speculative, the idea of a plasma-based simulated universe opens up fascinating avenues for exploration. It challenges us to reconsider the nature of reality, the limits of our perception, and the very essence of our existence. Section 5. When science meets spirit, intuitive insights. For centuries, spiritual traditions have spoken of a life force, an energy that animates all living things. This vital force, often referred to as chi or prana, is believed to flow through our bodies, connecting us to a larger cosmic web. Could plasma, with its life-giving properties and its role in consciousness, be the scientific counterpart to this ancient wisdom? Imagine a universe where plasma is not just a physical substance, but also the carrier of consciousness, the bridge between the material and the spiritual realms. This intriguing concept suggests that our intuition, creativity, and spiritual experiences may be rooted in the subtle interactions of plasma within and around us. It proposes a universe where science and spirituality, far from being separate domains, are intricately intertwined. While empirical evidence for this connection is still emerging, the intuitive resonance between plasma physics and spiritual teachings is undeniable. It invites us to explore the universe with a sense of wonder and to consider the possibility that there is more to reality than meets the eye. Section 6. Artificial consciousness. Ethical dimensions of simulated life. As we delve deeper into the simulation hypothesis, we inevitably encounter profound ethical questions. If our reality is indeed a simulation, what does that mean for our understanding of free will, morality, and the value of life itself? Furthermore, the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence add another layer of complexity. If we are living in a simulation, could we ourselves create sentient AI beings within this digital realm? And if so, what ethical responsibilities would we have towards these digital creations? The possibility of AI sentience in a simulated universe raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness, the limits of our own creation, and the potential consequences of our technological advancements. It compels us to approach the development and implementation of AI with caution, empathy, and a deep respect for all forms of life, both real and simulated. In Ms. Anderson's paper, she theorizes that if plasma is indeed spirit, then we need to reevaluate our eating habits. She also suggests that spirit never dies, implying that our consciousness moves on and may inhabit another form. The Book of Peace tells you exactly how. See the arouses in her paper. Section 7. Food for thought. Dietary choices in a simulated reality. At first glance, the connection between dietary choices and the simulation hypothesis might seem tenuous. However, if we entertain the possibility that our reality is a simulation, it prompts us to reconsider the nature of food and its role in our simulated existence. If our physical bodies are part of the simulation, could our dietary choices have implications beyond mere physical health? Could certain foods enhance our connection to the simulated reality, while others might hinder our awareness or limit our experiences within the simulation? While speculative, this line of inquiry encourages us to approach our dietary choices with a renewed sense of curiosity and awareness. It invites us to explore the potential impact of our food on our consciousness, our perception, and our overall experience within the simulated universe. Section 8. seeking proof experiments and observations. While the simulation hypothesis offers a tantalizing explanation for the nature of reality, it's essential to ground our exploration in scientific rigor. To determine the validity of this hypothesis, we must seek empirical evidence that can either support or refute its claims. One avenue for investigation lies in the realm of quantum physics. If our universe is a simulation, we might be able to detect subtle glitches or anomalies in the fabric of space-time, similar to the way we can sometimes perceive the pixels on a computer screen. Another approach involves searching for patterns or repeating sequences in the fundamental constants of nature. If these constants deviate from their expected values in a non-random way, it could suggest the presence of an underlying code governing our reality. Section 9. Glimpses of the Matrix, Anecdotal Evidence and Case Studies. While anecdotal evidence should be approached with caution, it can sometimes provide intriguing clues that warrant further investigation. In the context of the simulation hypothesis, numerous individuals have reported experiences that seem to defy the laws of physics or suggest a glitch in the matrix. These experiences range from accounts of precognitive dreams, where individuals accurately foresee future events, to reports of objects disappearing and reappearing without explanation. While many of these accounts can likely be attributed to misperceptions, psychological phenomena, or hoaxes, some remain unexplained, leaving open the possibility of something more profound at play. Case studies of individuals claiming to have experienced glitches in the matrix often involve sudden shifts in perception, anomalies in time and space, or encounters with seemingly impossible phenomena. While these accounts are inherently subjective, they offer a glimpse into the fringes of human experience where the boundaries of reality seem to blur. Section 10. Conclusion. The unfolding tapestry of reality. As we conclude our exploration of the simulation hypothesis, we are left with more questions than answers. Is our universe a sophisticated computer program, a grand illusion orchestrated by an unknown intelligence? Or is reality something altogether different, beyond our current comprehension? Miss Angela states that with or without the simulation theory, plasma being the new spirit, or being spirit can and will still apply. Without the simulation theory, it still bridges the metaphysical world with ours through plasma and using Oregon energy as its conduit. The search for truth is an ongoing journey, and the simulation hypothesis, while unproven, has ignited our imaginations and inspired us to look deeper, to question more, and to remain open to the possibility that the universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we could have ever imagined. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. In our next video, we'll explore the serious questions surrounding Ms. Anderson's theory. What are the consequences of a plasma changeover event? We'll dive into both the spiritual and material implications. Stay tuned.